Assalamu alaikum, hello dear learners. I am Farjana Yasmin. Sometimes it has been happened that when you are going to leave from any places, from any meeting for another work, do you stuck that how I can express myself in English, that I have to go now? So in this video we will learn that expressions in different ways. You know, this channel I have made for learning English grammar, vocabulary, phrases for daily English. So if you like my lessons, you please like, share and comment on my video, and if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. So today's topic is how to leave the place to say a sentence that is very charming, very attractive for others, and we will learn to use it in different ways. Let's get started. The expression is, I guess I would better go now. That means you have the intention to leave the place because you have another work, or you are going to start another journey from others, or you have to leave the place. You must leave the place. So this phrase is, I guess I would better go now. I would better go now. What does it mean? I guess means I think, right? I guess I would better go now. It might be you are attending a program and the program is very late to finish and you want to go and you want to leave the place because you have another work or you are not feeling good. So in these reasons you can or you must leave that place that you are now. So in that case, what you can use to say in different ways these expressions, especially I guess I would better go. So I guess I would better go now. Here you can use the adverb now. So how you can change these expressions? Let's see. I guess I would better go right now. Right now. I guess I would better go very soon. Very soon. I guess I would better go right away. Right away. I guess I would better go in a minute or two. It depends on your work, that how much it is important for you, your another work. So in that way you can use and you can practice these expressions in your everyday English. Let's learn the different expressions. I think I would better go now. So you see the first sentence I used I guess. Now you can use I think. It's very normal, right? I think I'd better go now. So you can use the verb I think I should go now. I think I ought to go now. I think I have got to go now. I think I have to go now. And the last one, I think I must go now. That means you are bound to go for another work. You cannot attend this ceremony now that you are attending. So you have to go. That means you must go. So you can use these expressions, you can use these phrases, you can use these sentences for communicating with others very easily and very confidently. Learners, I hope you have liked today's lesson. If you want to learn this type of spoken English for your everyday life, you can follow my channel and you can subscribe my channel. And you know I have another Facebook pages and you can communicate with my LinkedIn group. So that's all for today. Thank you very much everyone.